ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 42 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಒಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ. ಶರ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
Hello. Let me welcome you to this revision class on quantitative techniques. Here I have 42 slides explaining the basics of indices, logarithms, ratio and proportions, and rest of the problems. Okay, let me explain you some of the basics of laws of indices. The first law says that a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number or any variable which is raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A to the power of m multiply a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. This is the second law. When the exponents are multiplied, the sum is base, the exponents are added. A power of m, a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Number 3, third law, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n, where m is greater than n. Okay, when m is less than n, this is going to be a to the power of n minus m. The sign changes. That's it. Fourth law, a to the power of m whole raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Next is number 5, a to the power of minus m divided by, sorry, a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power 1 by a to the power of plus m. In the case of a to the power of plus m, this is going to be 1 divided by a to the power of minus m. Altogether, we can say that a to the power of m multiplied a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of 0, and that is equal to 1. Okay, all these things are going to be interrelated. Next is nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n, converting rational, irrational roots, okay, to their no exponential form, a to the power of 1 by n. If it's a square root of a, that is going to be a to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, cube root of a to the power of 1 by 3. Fourth root of a to the power of 1 by 4. These are all some of the basics of laws of indices. Let me explain you one simple problem. Okay, how exactly these laws can be applied. Look at this formula: a to the power of 2m plus n into b to the power of 4m minus 3n into c to the power of m plus 6n divided by 2 into a to the power of m plus n into b to the power of 5m minus 6n into c to the power of 7m plus 9n. Now, if you look at this, we have three different bases: base A, base B, base C in the numerator. Again, in the denominator also, we have A, B, and C as your three different roots. Sorry, three different bases. Now, what I do is that I take common bases together. Now if we say A and B and C. Now a to the power of 2m plus n, and here a to the power of m plus n. This is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. This is a to the power of 2m plus n minus of m plus n. Now, when you say b to the power of minus 4m minus 3n, and here it is minus 5m of 5m minus 6n. This is b to the power of minus 4m minus 3n minus of 5m minus 6n. Next C. Again this is common base. C in the numerator, C in the denominator. Next, C to the power of m plus 6n minus of 7m plus 9n. Again, once bases are classified based on the their like and unlike terms, similarly the powers are also to be classified. All m one side, all n one side. Now if you say this, a power 2m and this is a power m, 2m minus m. Next 1n and 1n. Now this is a to the power of 2m minus m plus n minus n. Next this is b to the power of 4m minus 3n minus 5m minus of minus plus 6n into c to the power of m plus 6n minus 7m minus 9n. Now in the denominator you will have only 2. 2 into 1 into 1. Here 2 is the coefficient of a power m plus n. Now 1 is the coefficient of 5m minus 6n. Now if you say this, if you simplify the numerator here, a power 2m minus a power m, this is a power m, because plus n minus n, there is, it is going to be cancelled. Now b to the power of 4m minus 5m, this is minus m, because 4 and 5, the minus sign is there for highest number, therefore you take that. Minus 3n plus 6n. Now this is 6 minus 3 plus 3n. Now this is C, m minus 7m plus 6n minus 9n. This is 7m minus plus m. This is minus 6m. Minus is there for highest number, therefore take that sign. Next 6n minus 9n. 6 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, and n. Now if you simplify this, a power m, b power 3n minus m. I am taking the power with plus sign first and then minus. That is 3n minus n. This is for arrangement. Either you can, okay, retain the same thing as it is. C to the power of minus of 6m plus 3n. Now this is going to be a to the power of m, b to the power of 3n minus m. Now this c, because of this minus sign, you can take to the denominator, from numerator to denominator. This is c to the power of 6m plus 3n. This is how we can go for applying your laws of indices as a basic application. Thank you very much. And in the my next video, I'll explain all the remaining problems of indices. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.